what's up, ladies and gentlemen, and ladies, slot lizards in the house. We're gonna put the good vibes out there for Sahara. You never know what can happen. I shouldn't have asked for no more coins. I should have got more coins and realized I had a jackpot already. That was bad. That was bad. See, I put the energy out there for no more coins, and I got no more coins. All right, max spin. Let's see, I got my point card in. Oh, do it right away? Wow, that would have been nuts. All right, guys, the major on this one's 619. Scratch it? Okay. Is that a new thing? Yeah, I got a jackpot right here. Nickel challenge is on fire right now. You know what? After that, we got 1325 plus 600. No matter what, we're gonna win money because I'm already up 1800. So there you go. No matter what, I can't lose now. Thank you very much, High Stakes and Dragon Riches. Come on, Sahara Gold. Boom, got him. This is nuts. It's nuts. Okay, guys. We've had over 1,000 people watching all night, and we've only got 475 thumbs up. What is going on with this? How do you not give me more thumbs up, guys? I don't get it. I don't get it. Come on. Ah! Who said the major wasn't coming? Who said major? Oh, Dan the man slots. Dan the man slots. Nuts. Nuts. Look at that. 620. Wow. This is insane. I think Sahara Gold's trying to beat it. Oh, come on. Let's get the grand. That'll totally beat it. Whoa, it's getting spicy. Come on. Stick it, save it. Oh, I don't know how much we have. I think we might be under 1,200. I can't add. This is the craziest night ever. Oh, thanks, douche. I might have to. Another 300, sweet. Let's hit it. Oh, wow, nice. All right. All right. It's on this machine. Yeah, sorry. I'm crushing all these machines here. Hold on, guys. They're keying the machine next to me. Just give me a second here, guys. Oh, you replayed the bonus for me, sweet. That's 3 jackpots in this stream, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, NES, you're right. 3rd major tonight. You are 100% right, brother. So is it 12? Yeah. Let's go. All right, guys. I'm gonna play this one down to. Should I play this down to 1,000? Because then that would be 300. Basically played through it. So back to back to back. It almost did it. It almost did it. Almost quad major action. Almost quad major action. We're gonna go to 1,000.
Lining link.
Come on. Come on. I'm saying 5 Tajis. I've never had 5 Tajis. Let's do it. Wow, those are big. Come on. Last spin. All right, 750. Oh wait, that's not 750. 375. All right, we're gonna cash this out.